Hey guys, sorry for not making a video in a long time, but I got a new toy finally to play with, and it is a USB lavalier microphone. This is the industry standard sound LM420 USB microphone. I hope y'all can see that with the reflective material. Uh, anyway, I'll uh, I'll get the product link in the description, but yeah, it comes with this cool little uh, carrying bag. Really high quality product. I have listened to a couple of samples of it already. I just got it yesterday, I think, is when it came in the mail. Just had a chance to try it today, Saturday the 20th. Um, but as a quick little comparison test, I am wearing my MPAL H5 headphones, and I'm going to mute the lavalier mic and switch to the headphone mic to let you see how that sounds. Okay, guys, and this is how the MPAL H5 sounds. Um, Let me know what you think about the USB lavalier microphone or the headphone mic. Um, I'm really curious to see what this sounds like. Let me know what you think, and I will talk at you later. Love y'all. God bless.